Hi guys, welcome to AM Dance YouTube channel. Today we're doing a step-by-step tutorial for Earthquake by Jisoo. This tutorial covers the first chorus. As usual, no music, we will show each move slowly, then with count. Chapter timeline will be in the description, and you can try with slow music by following our shorts at 60%, 80% or 100% speed. Let's get started.
Swing your arms for 2 times. 1, 2. At the same time, your chest go in, and then step on your right leg, in. Put all the things together, ta, ta. Then open arms to the side, hold the pose, and then hands go in, go to the top, hold the pose again, and the arms all the way drop down. Hold the pose again, and then open your fingers. Your left shoulder go forward at the same time. And hold pose. Raise your both arms and right leg go up. Okay, let's try with counting. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold the pose. 8. And 1, hold the pose. 2, arms drop down. 3, hold the pose. 4, open finger at 5, 6, 7, hold pose, no move. 8. Okay, faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, start from here. Your hands go cross and open. Change your balance to the right side when your arm go open. And after this one, your arms go up. Raise your right leg. And then go hit 1 slow and 2 fast. Okay, after 2 fast, your hands start from down with your wave and up. Then 2 pop, pop. Second one, arms on your chest, pop, pop. Okay, let's try one more time after this. Let's try with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, a little bit faster. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, after this, and then step on your left leg, right arm on the top, look at left side. And now open your arms, drop down. Hip, go right side 2 times. Hands like a common for 2 times. Tap, tap. Hands go forward. Circle around from left to right side. At the same time, your hip going to the same way from left to right. Raise your right leg and then face to your left side. This. And then shoulder go right and right. Right and right. When your right shoulder go down, press down, your right hip going to the same side, go right and right. Okay, let's try with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, a little bit fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Face to the front, arms drop down, left leg go to the left side, go out, and the arms raise up, left leg going to the side. At the same time, go side. I will go sharp, slowly go down, now switch to other side, and then go down. Step on your left leg, your hands go forward. Yes, and then go left, right, left. Hip and arms going to the same way, left, right, left. Let's try with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, after this 7 and 8, your hands go kind of walking. And hands go, left hands hit your back shoulder, and then right hands hit your back shoulder. Go. One more time. Go up, up. Yes. And then change your balance to right side. Okay, make them together. 7, 8, go. 记得 And now walking, walking. Both arms go forward. Okay, this count of 8 is really easy. Okay, try make it together. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next move is really easy. Actually, you'll just go to the hands, go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. This part, your hips going to the same way with your hands, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And then your hands go right and right, left, right, left. Okay, and then this time, your legs go into the same way. Go right and right. Go, and then left leg go left, right, left. Okay, let's try them together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Yes. And then your hands go right, left, right, left. Step on your left leg, finger go number 1, leg go left, right, left. Okay, let's try with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right and right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left and left. Okay. Okay, try with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then next one, your bong bong go left, right, and left, right. And then left hands on your waist, right hands go down. Okay, go left, right, and left, right. And then your right arm go down, your hip going to the left side, go right. And the other side, left. And then your hands go up, but your hip go down, sit, like sit. And then hands drop down, hip go up, and then go down and down. Okay, after go down and down, and then step on your right leg, head and head. Same thing with before. Okay, let's try with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, make a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Good job, everybody. This is all the dance details about earthquake. Okay, let's try with the counting from the beginning to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.
Great job for finishing this tutorial and thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and let us know about other dances you would like to learn in the comments. See you next dance!